Mass and energy balance for biosystem. Module 10 Energy and mass flow through ecosystem. Segment 3 Designing trophic level. It's me Lily from School of Life Sciences and Technology, Institute Technology Bandung. In the previous segment, we already discussed about the energy density, primary production. So in this segment, we will focus on the designing traffic level. The process of designing ecosystem services starts with understanding place. Design criteria for ecosystem services include redundancy and complexity for the purpose of resiliency in the process upon which the services depend. And the goal for ecological engineers should be design as much traffic complexity into a system as possible. And the first estimator of the complexity is the number of traffic level or N. And the variables required to estimate the number of traffic level include net primary productivity or NPP, average ecological efficiency or EFF, and average energy flux of top predator population. If plants are trophic level 1, the energy available to trophic level N is can be calculated as shown in the equation below, where EFF is the geometric mean of ecological efficiencies across levels, and the number of trophic levels supported by a level of NPP can therefore be estimated as equation below. The relationship should be used to assess threshold design criteria rather than to support final design condition. In general, the higher end within an ecosystem, the more stable the ecosystem will be. And ecosystem stability is a function of its ability to resist change in response to external influence or constancy, and its ability to return to some pre-disturbed state after disturbance. And both of these ecosystem characteristics are critical for successful ecological engineering design. And if the low NPP system, it can produce as many as 7 topic levels with recycling mass and energy through the system. And this table shows the biome specific example, which show the approximate value for NPP, ecological efficiency, and trophic level numbers. In 2007, Marza demonstrated that many ecosystems should be considered open rather than unsubsidized systems. And also, in 2005, Gumfeld found that increased consumer richness resulted in increased consumer biomass and the most diverse prey assemblage. The primary productivity required, or PPR, is used to support a trophic structure that can be estimated using this relationship. Human impact on ecosystem across trophic levels through land use change is evident throughout the biosphere. Human impact have depleted more than 90% of important coastal and estuary species and destroy more than 65% of seagrass and wetland habitat. Ecological engineers, restoration ecologists, and system ecologists still have much work to do before the ecosystem trophic level can be designed explicitly. and this general guideline should serve as bookend to design criteria with general range of inputs. So in the next segment, we will discuss about the mass flow through ecosystem. Until then, I'm Lily from Institute Technology Bandung.